Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another beautiful day in the garden. I'm so excited. I have some new colors to play with from Golden. I'm very, very happy about this and super excited. A lot of you will remember that Golden recently discontinued the nickel Azo Gold, as well as one of my favorites, the Quinacridone Burnt Orange. And I am so happy to announce that they are new ones that are very similar to those. So tonight we're going to be testing out two of the new Golden colors. I think there are 10 altogether that are really cool, but I'm super excited about these two and I wanted to show them to you guys. So let's get started to that. And the first one that we are using is this Golden Azo Gold. I guess is the replacement for nickel Azo Gold, and it's pretty similar. It's this very interesting color in the cup, which is not my favorite, but it is very pretty, and I did want to try it as it is, you know, as it is in the color in the tub. So this is the new Azo Gold, and I am hopeful it's going to be very, very pretty when we start using it. The next one that we are using that's new is this new one. This is Benzimidazalone. I think I said that right. Benzimidazalone Burnt Orange, and it is beautiful. It is really, really, really pretty. I'm very excited about this one. Very similar to the Quinacridone Burnt Orange, maybe a little bit more brown, but again, once it's dry, we will see. The proof is in the pudding, right? So this is all mixed with my Golden Heavy Gel Gloss and Owatrol. I am using my Owatrol to practice and get ready for Fluid Art Boutique in Dublin, which is happening in like less than a month now. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. So it's gonna be really cool. This is Golden's Dyke Brown, which is pretty much the only brown that I really, really like to work with. I like this one because it is so dark. It's a lot more espresso rather than milk chocolate. Milk chocolate starts looking rather like chocolate. I do love this espresso, this deep, rich, very deep brown. So this is Dyke Brown from Golden. And then we also have some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow over here. I have 2 cups of this one. That's feeling a little thick. But this is the Pearl Yellow from Amsterdam, which when it dries, it has this really pretty light gold shift on it, which I really love. And of course, our dancing showgirl, our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. The one and only. So we are going to be doing a big, huge canvas tonight. We have a very nice, beautiful 36 by 36 inch gallery wrap canvas that I'm super excited about. And I wanted to show you this part before I actually fix the issue, because I think it's important to know how to do it. So you'll notice that it's rocking, so it's slightly warped. So you don't have to throw this in the garbage. What you do though, figure out which side is low. So that side is the side that's low. I'm gonna turn it over like this so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now I'm just gonna take the pin and pull it out a little bit. Fixes the issue, and if it's level now or not. So that's the one nice thing about these push. And now there we go. It's nice and level, and it's not shaking or rocking anymore. So this is the 36 by 36. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted the sides and edges with my Flow Extender color, which is a mishmash of a lot of different leftovers. But it's a very pretty color. It's kind of a light peach. Get a stick and I'll show you. So this is really pretty. And this is slightly thinner than all the rest of the colors, but not by a lot. Still leaving a light mound on a mound and then sinking into itself. Okay, so we are going to be playing with my friend Nate Bright's art herringbone technique again, because I really like it and I think these colors are going to be beautiful showcased like that. We're not doing a flip cup, we're just going to do the puddles and see how it goes. So let's get started. I'm going to put down a layer of the base coat in the center where my puddles are going to go, and we're going to tilt this out a little bit. So I think what we're going to start with is this beautiful burnt orange color, and I think we're going to do go with like, I don't know, we'll see where we end up. I love this color already. Making Mina happy. I'm going to come in with some of that pearl yellow on top. There are going to be other colors in between. I'm just starting with these. I probably should. Let me put the other color down first just so I know where I'm going. Let's go with the Azo Gold. There's the other color. I don't really want to end it with the Azo Gold on top. Another layer of this in here. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're going to take our chopstick and turn it this way. It's so far away now. And I don't know if I want to do the double wreck like Nate usually does. I kind of liked it in the last piece we did, Blue Willow, where we did half that was single and half that was both. I kind of liked it where it was just one wreck. So I'm going to do that, but I'm not going to do very, very straight lines. I kind of want to introduce a little bit more curve in there. So we're going to start over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Alas, that I am.
Okay. That's pretty cool looking. Alright, so I'm going to take some flow extender and I'm going to go around this again. Make sure we have enough for our corners and edges. Are you ready, husband? Awesome.
Yes, madam.
Okay, here we go. Let's find the way to the paint. Can't see time when it goes over that corner.
Almost. Yeah, there you go.
So pretty.
Indeed.
Slow it down. Moving? I can't
Yep,
see.
it's moving. A ways to go.
Yeah. And this is the part where I decorate myself. We're just going to get the weight of the paint down towards the bottom. At the top. This one's heavy.
It's been a while since you've done something this big, doll.
Yeah. Well, there's also a lot of paint on here. So. Okay, I'm just going to get this to float down towards the bottom, and then we're going to take a look.
I love the bass drum sounds that it makes. Boom, 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 boom.
I just want to anchor that burnt orange over the corner, and then take it back. See how it's compressed up at the top now?
Yeah.
Really pretty though. would like to get it down over this corner too.
Actually, I kind of like it.
See? Oh well.
A little bit of negative space there.
Sorry. I'd rather have the burnt orange as negative space.
It's alright, I'm used to it.
Well, you know, you're welcome to come paint one. Anytime you want, darling.
It's your name on the shadow.
We're just gonna get this all down towards the bottom so that it's not so stretched out on this edge. And then we will be done, I think. Just gonna take a look real quick. Okay. Ah. That's a big moment, isn't it?
Yep. I'm not really care for is that.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that right now. The top edge stretch out a bit. Think. Weird. I like it. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
Cool. Okay. This will not be dry in time to show you tomorrow, but I will show you in the next video for sure on Sunday. Thank you guys so much for being here with us and checking out our new premiere train time on Wednesday evening, 5 o'clock and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So thanks for being here with us. And Brian Zaglarski is right after me, and then Kelly from Viral Art, and then Nate Bright Art. So this has been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you real soon. Do a nice little flyover for me, Joy.